Guess we got a shopping trip today. Let's go shopping. Today is day 2 with a hat. And this is the look. The no makeup look. I think this looks kind of cute. What y'all think? And then on my lips, I have MAC Chestnut, Milani in the shade Lavish. And then on top, I put a butter gloss, which is Fortune Cookie by NYX. Yeah, I think this is how we looking today. And we like it. Shirt by my cousin. Well, shirt from my cousin. Closet, Teresa's Closet. It says Fashion Reject. I don't know where she got this shirt from, but we paired it with a blue hat, and then I'm gonna put on my blue purse. I'll show you my outfit in a minute. Fit up today. Let's walk it up. Hey. I'm back. I did decide to untuck the top. I feel like it was doing too much right here in the belly. We got purse from Shein, pants from Rainbow, jacket from Ross, shoes from Ross, and braids by Russia. Let's go. So guys, so we did just make it home. But as you guys probably already know, we ain't got no bar. So plus, we do have class tonight. Well, we do have our makeup class tonight. I'm going to go to Sephora, and hopefully I can find some of the things I have on my list. Since being in a park, instead of sitting here, we're going to go to Sephora and see if we can find some of those items. I guess we got a shopping trip today. Let's go shopping. We didn't even get upset today. We're going to keep being productive. I'm a little hungry, though. I did not. Oh, baby, we only got a little bit of water left. And a little piece of caramel candy. The goal is to just remain calm, breathe. It won't always be like this. I'm just believing that it will not always be like this. This is just the season that I'm in. Ain't no need to get my body all worked up and upset because we can't control that. We can't. At least right now we can't. So, how's y'all day going? Hope you guys are having an amazing day. I like to sit a whole lot. All right. Like the size of. Don't forget y'all. I ain't been over here in feel like years. Hello. I'm here to look at NARS foundations, and some of the girls been talking about House Lab. This one size spray. We're gonna get the mini. Just this. I should have got a little basket. I forgot. I got my gift card in the car. I'm gonna have to go back and get that. Hold on. See. So it's maybe between these two. Ooh, my hand look ash. But I thought from looking online that I'll probably be mocha. But I don't think that no more. I think I'm probably seeing a honey. I'm gonna see if I can sample. See what happens. This is honey. Has a little yellow. Is this honey? Yeah, this is honey. So it's like one shade lighter. This one is mocha. It's more red. The texture of them feels really, really good. I don't know if these are it. Let me show how much. Maybe if I mix the two and see what happens. Okay. Maybe I need to mix them. That may work. Nice. Could they give me a sample and then probably get the travel size? Ooh, that's more warm. And mixing the two, give me that one. I don't know. Maybe I need some help. I need to get it back inside. Do they normally have like tissue at the end of these things? No, I ain't been shopping makeup in a while. What are the tissue stations? Okay, nice. Y'all know, if you know me, how I am about touching stuff. Okay. No. Excuse me. I think I found the two shades I may be interested in, but do you guys have samples?
Yeah.
So when do you guys give samples that goes in the container?
Yeah.
Okay, so honey and sand.
Okay.
Thank you. You're welcome. She put me a little back here. Okay, now we're trying out NARS foundation. This one is Macau. That's this one. And then this one is Maria. That's how you say it. So these are two. Let me try. Okay. Ooh, you don't see it. And then this Maria. This is a little lighter. And Macau's nice. Like even doing this, you can't even see it anymore. Okay. Okay, Macau. I would ask for a sample of these too. That was super cute that they give out the little samples. I'll show you how to get in the car. I want to be like a fragrance girl. I don't know about my fragrance. I do know that I like vanilla scent stuff. But I'm seeing this Valentino. Back one. It does smell good. Okay, Valentino. This is floral too. A little bit more shrimp. I like the back one. This one and this one, I like that one better. Yellow wood. Baby, people love this. This is it. Nothing coming up. I can't see it. I know coming up. I guess it must be meaning to them. Let's go over here to the chaos. How you doing?
Sorry, I don't mean
you're fine. You're fine. Okay, I'll put y'all back here. Utopia vanilla cocoa. It ain't really got it. I don't like that. I tried a few of these out. So far, I really like this one. This one smells good. Maybe because it's vanilla and it's floral. And that's usually like my go-to scents. But like I was saying, that these were This size was $100, but they also sell it in a travel size for $29. Now I came in here for makeup. We may be in here for fragrance too. At this point, that smells really good. Between that one and the Valentino, the one I showed y'all, that one, good. And this is warm, florals too. So maybe that's just like my signature scent that I like. That may be it. We didn't come in here for perfume. We came in here for makeup. Now I gotta find a Morphe brand. I got some samples. We came to get the one size spray. And can you tell me what a Morphe brand is?
Oh, that's gonna be at ULTA.
Okay, so ULTA, I gotta go across the street.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So they don't sell. Oh, they got Nessa Myros in here. Black on. I actually met her at a makeup show that I went to. And people keep saying that the yummy skin is good. I would try this on, but you gotta scoop that out, and I don't trust all that when people touch and stuff. Now the squeeze bottles is inside, and I put them on my skin. This I don't want to try out on my skin, but on my face rather. Okay, girl. She looks so beautiful. But we gotta go to the car so we can get a gift card. That's $50 that we can save. Okay? And the crazy thing, I got this gift card probably a few years ago. One of my friends gifted it to me. As I transitioned out of my previous job. And I kept it in my car because I'm like, if I take it upstairs, then we ain't gonna never use it. And even though it's been in the car, we still ain't used it, so we gonna use it today. Where you at? Sephora, girl? Oh, there you go. I was gonna say, Fatima, girl, thank you. We finally using it. Let's go back in so we get our goodies. They're probably like, this girl got all these samples. She ain't bad nothing. Yes, that right. We got it. And it's starting to get crowded in here too, which is another reason why I'm ready to roll out. Well, nobody in here when I got here. Maybe the people done came on out.
Jessica?
Yes.
Anyone assisting you today?
A few of the ladies. They helped me with the samples.
Did you want a bag?
Yes, please.
Were you interested in that Sephora credit card and saving 25%?
No.
Okay, so you're at $46.50. Balance on the card.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. There you go. Have a good one.
You too.
Mm-hmm. Next person.
Well, my skin look all right in this light. Like I have literally no makeup on besides under my eyes. I like it. Walgreens right here. I could go in there and get the other just one thing at a time. But I could go in there and get the Black Radiance. I tried out the concealer and I was like, I got the light to medium. I probably can go for the light shade. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, we're gonna run it Ulta. I have another gift card. We're gonna use them up today. Why not? You know, using our regular money, we got gift card. I wanted this one. The Berry Well is missing. Y'all, they didn't have nothing. I even started adding stuff to the list, like watching like quick tutorials while I was in there on TikTok. Like, oh, maybe I can buy this. Maybe I can buy this. All the shades of everything I wanted was not in stock. So we're gonna put our little gift card back. I mean, dang, we was trying to use it today. I guess it ain't meant for me to spend no more money. I guess so. It is time to go in the house. Called her today. I just saw my friend Lisa in the store. Hey, girl, hey, if you watching this vlog. I have not seen her since her baby was born. And she just said he about to turn 3. What? Wow, that is crazy. Her friend is actually in there helping her get some makeup. I said, oh, not you. You getting some makeup, girl? And I was on my way out the door. I said, baby, we got to go to another ULTA. Not today, but we're going to go to another one another day. Because this one didn't have any of the deeper shades of like blushes, the pressed powder, the translucent powder. They don't have it. But we did get some goodies from Sephora. So, all is well. Y'all to the... Do I want to go to this Walgreens? No, we don't need it. We don't need it today. No way. None of these things, but it's great to have because we're getting back in the mode of not only just doing my makeup, but eventually getting back out there and doing clients. But for now, we are testing out a lot of products so I can see what new products have hit the streets, okay? What new trends and different things are out here that people may be interested in when I start back taking clients. And of course, if I'm trying new stuff, I want to try it out first and then try it on clients before I add it to like my makeup kit. Pizza last night, so we gonna eat that and a little french fry. So go home, shower, clean his face off, because I think we may be applying makeup today. Y'all hear the rain? Yeah, we definitely need to park. While we walk around with this suede material, it's gonna be good and wet. We have 4,760. Yeah, almost hit our goal to 5,000. When I'm really moving, the goal is 10,000 steps a day. But we almost at 5. Yeah, I'll see you guys when I get home. We finally got a park, y'all. It's 4:30. Woo, baby. It won't always be like this. That's all I keep telling myself. You see, baby, I ain't shed a tear. I'm frustrated. But we ain't cried. And it's still pouring down. I'm so glad I got these Crocs. I'm so glad I got my little ox. And I feel like if I walk in some water in the mud, it's gonna tear these up. I think these are cute, y'all. Good thing I didn't take them out last night. Okay. I had to do my pants. I made it in the house, y'all.